Florida is a very recreational state. There's lakes all over the place, and what we see unfortunately a lot of times is people are negligent in the operation of their boats, and that causes injury to others. We've handled cases where people have been cut by propellers, people have sustained serious head injuries due to the boat colliding with another boat or with a dock. There's drowning, there's bad scarring, there's paralysis, all types of injuries as a result of negligent boating. A lot of times we find that the people who are operating the boats have been drinking. Also, we see boats speeding in the waterways, leading to capsizing and drowning. Improper maintenance of the boat can lead to a boating accident and cause injury. It could be speeding, just reckless behavior on the part of the owner or operator of the boat. It can be just not understanding your boat's limitations, taking smaller watercraft out to the ocean where it just simply shouldn't belong. That can lead to potentially catastrophic consequences to the passengers of the boat. Another important factor when it comes to boating safety is the use of life jackets. Unfortunately, we've seen boating accident cases where there hasn't been the proper use of life jackets, and that's led to severe injury. And we need to get involved early on so we can investigate the nature of the accident, what caused the accident. We need to have experts take a look at the boat that's involved to make sure there's no manufacturer's defects, and to make sure that we can prove that either the negligence of the boat driver or the manufacturer led to the accident. Research has shown that insurance companies pay more on claims if an attorney is involved. And a lot of times one of the nuances of boating accidents is the person who's on the boat and injured knows the person who's operating the boat.
Perhaps their friend is driving the car or the boat or something like that, but they become injured and they are worried that they're somehow going to mess up their friend or mess up his insurance coverage if they make a claim. And that's a valid concern. In one way, it's because you've got a friend involved, so it has to be handled very delicately. The way that we counsel our clients is, you've been injured through no fault of your own. You're going to be faced with medical bills. You may lose wages if you're knocked out of work. You may have a lifetime of problems associated with that. So you are entitled to damages. And your friend carried insurance for a reason, to protect them in case they injured somebody. It's not a matter of doing something that's going to harm your friend, it's a matter of protecting yourself or your family. Particularly if you're a breadwinner of your family. If you cannot earn money to put food on the table for your kids, this insurance money might be the only way that you have, or only hope that you have, of doing that. It's something that we don't take lightly at all. We've faced this situation hundreds of times. We always get the friend involved in the process so that they know that there's no malice involved. There's nothing that we're doing that we're intending to hurt them in any way. But we have to make a business decision and represent our clients in the best way that we can, and that's to go after this insurance money.
It's not uncommon for people to have some interaction with an insurance company before they call us. But even if they have been dealing with the insurance company, it's important that they contact us
and tell us what happened and talk about what overtures the insurance company has made toward you. And we'll give you a free evaluation of your claim. We won't charge you a fee for a consultation or to come in and sit down with us or talk to us on the phone. We'll listen to what you have to say, and to the extent that we can, based on whatever limited information you give us, we'll tell you, well, that sounds reasonable or that doesn't sound reasonable. There's no obligation to call us and talk about any kind of personal injury case.